Friends, our second item is on Lord Shiva. The first was on Krishna. As you all know that there is a great saying that remedy precedes the malady. If there is a malady, remedy must have been there in the state of nature. Otherwise, the malady will be an unnatural thing. People ask whether hunger fast or food fast. Food fast. Before the advent of human beings on this planet, there is water because man will feel thirsty. There is food which man can consume and sustain. Similarly, whenever there is a crisis, global crisis, or the humanity is in crisis, these solutions are already in place. And the assurance in the Bhagavad Gita, Jada Jada Hi Dharmasya, as and when there is decadence, he assures that he will be taking a human form to guide, to show the beacon light to humanity. Lord Shiva was the first guru who introduced rhythm into a society which was anarchic. He's the one who gave science of medicine. He's the one who taught fast dance to Bharat Muni. He's a Nataraj. He introduced so many things for humanity to uplift itself. Now this particular item is one of the very fascinating items. Even if people don't understand Sanskrit in Western countries, you find, even if they don't understand the lyrics of this song, the lyrics, that doesn't prevent them from appreciating it. It's a wonderfully very fast item, span over 10 minutes. It tells you, it exhibits 8 different feats of Lord Shiva. Shiva, who is an historical figure, born about 7,000 years back, much before the Vedas were written. Now, our artists, the budding artists of Adruta, unit of Rava Academy, they are going to perform Shiva Ashtakam. This is going to be very engrossing and very fascinating for all of you. In the schedule, whole day you see, there is a limit to human mind and patience, and whole day you have been listening to talks which really strain your mind. We are pretty sanguine that these dance items will refresh you greatly. So we solicit you, this is our last item this evening. Maybe tomorrow perhaps they are giving us some folk items tomorrow. So we are meeting you again tomorrow evening. We solicit your blessings for the children who have been right from the childhood. They do practice, depending on their inclination, disposition, their native knack. Someone is fine art, someone in music, someone dance. We never impose anything on them. So they grow according to their potentiality. Every child is extraordinary. No child is ordinary. We call a child is ordinary because we want to tailor the growth of the child as per our dreams. Parents try to grow the child as per their unfulfilled dreams or visions. Never do so. You do violence to a child. Maybe that he's not good at mathematics, but maybe that a great singer is waiting in him. Great painter is waiting in him. Society needs singers, painters. Why everyone would be an engineer? Why everyone would be a doctor? That is why it is parents and teachers should identify the knack of the child right from the beginning and give a supportive ambience so that every child can grow into an extraordinary human being. This is what our experiment tells us with these words, and it has been choreographed by Guru Sri Bharat Charan Giri. And the writer of the lyric is not known. It is shrouded in antiquity. But this has been perpetuating across the centuries, the Shiva Ashtakam, and every Indian knows about it. It's a very powerful lyric, and the children are also going to perform in a very exquisite way, which will definitely attract your love, appreciation, and we need your blessings and the grace of God for them to grow from strength to strength. Thank you.
शङ्करं चन्द्राचूडं गिरीशं शिवं पार्वतीशं सुरेशं विभुवमदेवं परं विश्वरूपं त्रिनेत्रं त्रैलोक्यपतिं नौमि नित्यं त्रिनेत्रं त्रैलोक्यपतिं नौमि नित्यं नौमि नित्यं भवाज्ञारूपं विरूपं परं मङ्गलं मङ्गलार्थं स्वरूपम् भवाज्ञारूपं विरूपं परं मङ्गलं मङ्गलार्थं स्वरूपम् पञ्चाननन्तत्वरूपं परं धामं पञ्चाननन्तत्वरूपं पञ्चाननन्तत्वरूपम् जटाचूटगङ्गं कृतानङ्गभङ्गं जटाचूटगङ्गं कृतानङ्गभङ्गं श्रुतौ नागराजं श्वसन्तं वदन्तम् ध्यान्तशून्यं क्रतुध्वंसिनं बिभ्रतं चर्मचेणं बिभ्रतं चर्मचेणं बिभ्रतं चर्मचेणं श्मशाने वसन्तं स्वभूतेन तन्तं चित् वसाने वसन्तं शोभूतेन तन्तं चिताभस्मलेपं चलन्मुण्डमालं भूताशं विशेषं दिनेशं निशेषं गणेशं गणेशप्रियं सर्वरूपं गणेशं गणेशप्रियं सर्वरूपं 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 नमस्ते नमस्ते महादेव शंभो नमस्ते नमस्ते सदानंद योगी
नमस्ते नमस्ते महादेव शंभो नमस्ते नमस्ते सदानंद योगी
नमस्ते नमस्ते कृपा पार सिंधो
नमस्ते नमस्ते कृपा पार सिंधो
गुरु तत्पदे में सदा भक्ति भावं गुरु तत्पदे में सदा भक्ति भावं गुरु तत्पदे में सदा भक्ति भावं नमः सर्व सर्व स्वरूपाय तुभ्यं नमः शुद्ध रूपाय ते शंकराय
नमः सर्व सर्व स्वरूपाय तुभ्यं नमः शुद्ध रूपाय ते शंकराय
नमस्ते नमस्ते परम पुत्रवासिन्
नमस्ते नमस्ते परम पुत्रवासिन्
परानन्दमते मोहसाधिरूढं परानन्दमते मोहसाधिरूढम् नमः पार्वती प्राणनाथाय तुभ्यं नमः स्थूलसूक्ष्मस्वरूपाय नित्यम्
नमः पार्वती प्राणनाथाय तुभ्यं नमः स्थूल सूक्ष्म स्वरूपाय नित्यम्
नमस्ते नमस्ते परम शूलपाणे
नमस्ते नमस्ते परम शूलपाणे
नमस्ते नमस्ते भवे भैरवाय नमस्ते नमस्ते क्षमा स्वापराधं कुरु ज्ञानाबोधम् परं पूतमूर्ते सुधूर्तावतसम्
क्षमा स्वापराधं कुरु ज्ञानबोधम् परं पूतमूर्ते सुधृतावतसम्
नमो नागयज्ञो